KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, some good-looking weather will continue for tomorrow, and I think we squeeze in Saturday before we see a little bit of a drastic change. Cold front on the way Saturday night. Not much shower activity with it, but we might get a little bit more rain on Monday or Monday evening. But the big story, lower 80s Saturday, Sunday, we probably don't get out of the 50s. So let's take a look at the weather map and see what's going on. We have a wet weather system going through the nation's midsection. That's progressing off to the east. Next storm system pushing through the west, the Pacific Northwest, and the Rockies. This may actually produce some severe weather as we go into tomorrow out toward Oklahoma. We'll be watching that. No severe weather expected here at all. I can see right now winter storm warnings across portions of Wyoming. Boy, it's been one heck of a ski season, and I would think there's going to be snow in portions of the Rockies and the Sierra Nevada through the entire summer in the highest of elevations. It's been that kind of winter. Meanwhile, we're seeing plenty of green showing up across Texas. This is a little bit of a disturbance here. A lot of this precip is barely reaching the ground, but this is going to be moving toward Louisiana tomorrow. But also, it's going to be what we call minoring out or weakening. So maybe a sprinkle or two, but chance of a significant shower tomorrow is going to be 10% or less. Meanwhile, fair to partly cloudy skies, just a few high-level cirrus clouds out there. And the longer we stay clear or in these clear zones, the lower the temperature will go, and also the better there'll be the chance of some patchy fog. So we'll be watching that, although fog does not look to be a major factor. Now, I want to show you this. This is the drought status just 2 weeks ago. Now, mind you, in March, we've only had about a quarter inch of rain in Lafayette. Normally, we should be about 3.5 inches of rain. Again, March, the driest month of the year, climatologically speaking. Then we go to last week, last Thursday, and we showed you this, where Lafayette, portions of St. Landry Parish on northeastward have become abnormally dry. That's just the first stage before you get into a drought situation. And this is today, and as we look across the area, much of the area drier than normal, and we could use some moisture to get into the ground, help with some of the crawfish ponds, and also wash some of the pollen out of the trees and out of the streets and out of the air. And we'll see some showers as we go into this weekend, but not a big soaking by any stretch of the imagination. So overnight tonight, generally fair to partly cloudy skies. Cool tomorrow morning. Temperatures will be in the 50s. And then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, another mild one. I think we'll hit the mid to upper 70s in spite of cloud cover, but we'll see a few more intervals of sunshine. And you're going to notice that humidity is going to be coming up just a little bit, especially into tomorrow night when temperatures will be holding in the 60s for a low. And then going into Saturday, I think we have a decent shot at 80 degrees if we see a few intervals of sun. Here comes that frontal boundary producing scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm, northernmost portions of Acadiana on northeastward, but watch what happens. This front, this is the way the fronts have been going all spring long. I'm not complaining. I don't miss the severe weather threats, but not much shower activity, and that front pushes on through, and there may be some lingering showers behind the front as we chill down on Sunday, and with the clouds locked in, we're going to see temperatures holding in the 50s. European model here offering a little sun early Monday, but here comes another disturbance and may give us a little bit better of a soaking come Monday evening, and then that moves out, and we got another Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday period of next week that looks really good before it changes again toward the end of next week. As for rainfall this weekend, this is the European model for Saturday night into Sunday, a quarter inch, maybe a third of an inch, and I think that's going to be generous, maybe a tenth of an inch or less. But then you add the Monday rainfall, if we do see it, maybe another half inch or an inch in spots, so that could be good news for us. And then as we go down the road, maybe more rain toward the end of next week. Temperatures low to mid 50s tonight, mid 50s I-10 corridor, and much the same along the coast. And then after that cool start, we'll warm up nicely tomorrow afternoon, pushing, I think, the upper 70s. I think we're going to be warmer than the futurecast numbers are indicating here. Low to mid 60s tomorrow night, and then upper 70s to near 80. Anywhere in orange here could see 80 degrees for your Saturday afternoon. So pleasant evening overall, 55 the low with a little patchy fog by morning tomorrow. Nice finish to the week, TGIF, 78 the high for tomorrow. And as we head into Saturday, there's a slight chance of a shower during the day Saturday, but not likely. 60% overnight Saturday night, and then lingering showers early Sunday. Temperatures chilly. Sunday it's going to feel more like January than the last day of March. And then as we go into April, we'll start off cool, but we'll finish off mild for the first week of April.
All right. Thanks, Rob.